Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you how we can perform one-to-one bidirectional mapping using Hibernate. Bidirectional means apply both ways. Like a course can has CourseDetail, CourseDetail belongs to a course. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Hibernate? Well, I have a good news for all. Check out the Udemy course link, in description. And you can access all training videos, in just one click. Do watch the video till end, to get all the insights. So let's get started. Step 1, Print Mapping. In bidirectional one-to-one mapping, we use mapped by. Mapped by tells Hibernate to look at the related property, CourseDetail, in current class. It will use the info of @join column, to find associated object, course. Copy one-to-one package and create new for one-to-one by. Under CourseDetail, we will just add reference to course by using one-to-one annotation, and pass mapped by as CourseDetail. Also, add cascading as all. Generate getter-setter for course. Now, copy delete class and create new print class. Just update class to CourseDetail and print it, and also associated course class. Also, add a catch block to handle any exception. Now, run the class and as you can see, both the details are printed. When we try an invalid ID, it prints null and give null pointer exception. Let's correct it back to a valid ID. Step 2, delete demo. Now, if we change ID to 2, as 1 is already deleted, copy-paste code and try to delete CourseDetail. If we run the class, it should also delete course object. And if we check in database, it has deleted both CourseDetail and course entry for ID too. Now, update CourseDetail and change cascade type to all except remove. Now it should not delete course. In delete demo, change ID to 3. Break bidirectional mapping by setting CourseDetail of course as null, and rerun to verify. Let's check it in database to confirm. As you can see, course is not deleted, but CourseDetail is deleted. So, we have seen how we can perform one-to-one bidirectional mapping using Hibernate. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.